Hey mobile filmmaker, Chung Dha here. In this video, we're going to show you how to balance your mobile smartphone gimbal and get a perfect balance with it. So first, we're going to show you what a perfect balance looks like. So we can actually move the gimbal to any of the position that we want, and actually it holds its position. But also, this is one that a lot of people might not know. So this can also hold its position. So we are going to show you guys how to balance it. So first, of course, the back arm. So this most people would know because in the manual of most of the smartphone gimbals, it will talk about how to extend or move this in and to get this into a proper horizontal position. So we are going to move this arm in and get this as horizontal as possible. So here we have it almost. So this we move in or out to get this, making it horizontal to balance. So we do a small balance test. So if we see it move, we actually are going to still change the balance a little bit. We want to achieve the perfect balance where it actually does not move at all. So we can move it to a position where we want, and it needs to just hold that position. It maybe move a little bit, but not like a large swing. So now it's perfectly balanced. We can lock it down. So it holds its position. So we are now going to the other one. So this here, we are going to do this balance. So a lot of people don't know about this balance. So the main thing about it is that it will actually improve the handling and also make less up and down movements when you walk, and also makes it less longer because a lot of people might have that the motor overheats on the side. So the main thing what we need to do is, if we look at the clamp holding your phone, we can move it in and out. So as you can see, I can push it in or out, and this actually alters the balance. So you might need to see what it needs to be. So a lot of people might think it needs to be held like this, which like it looks like it's holding it nice and vertical, but this is not what you want, because this is going to have all the weight on the bottom, making it very bottom heavy, and actually makes the motor work over time, and also like the motor would get really hot, and also the battery lives are going to be lessened, and also it won't be perfectly balanced and actually adds more shakes when you're walking. So now when we have it perfectly balanced like this, so we want to move it in and out and get it as horizontal, and then test it, moving it, and see if it holds the position. If it perfectly holds the position, then you have it perfectly balanced. So that is how we do that balance. So this is really a balance you want to do, so it really lessens that up and down movement when you're walking, because it will be less stress on the motors to balance your phone, especially doing the tilt up and down will be lessened, so you won't see that much up and down when you're walking. So that was mainly it, how to achieve the perfect balance on your smartphone gimbal. So if you found this video quite helpful, please hit that like button here below. Also, if you're new to this channel and want to see more upcoming videos, please hit that subscribe button and make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!